Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to describe a new picture. Today's picture shows a busy farm scene. Listen carefully and repeat every sentence. This is a colorful farm scene.
This is a colorful farm scene.
The sky is blue with some white clouds.
The sky is blue with some white clouds.
The farm has green grass and rolling hills.
The farm has green grass and rolling hills.
There are windmills in the background.
There are windmills in the background.
A small river flows in the distance.
A small river flows in the distance.
A red-roofed house is on the hill.
A red-roofed house is on the hill.
A blue trailer is parked near the fence.
A blue trailer is parked near the fence.
A man is driving a green tractor.
A man is driving a green tractor.
The tractor has large red wheels.
The tractor has large red wheels.
The man is waving happily.
The man is waving happily.
He is wearing a blue shirt.
He is wearing a blue shirt.
The tractor is pulling a trailer filled with hay.
The tractor is pulling a trailer filled with hay.
The hay bales are large and round.
The hay bales are large and round.
They are stacked neatly on the trailer.
They are stacked neatly on the trailer.
A woman and a child are playing with a hay bale.
A woman and a child are playing with a hay bale.
The woman has brown hair tied in a ponytail.
The woman has brown hair tied in a ponytail.
She is wearing a red and white striped shirt. She is smiling and raising her hands.
She is wearing a red and white striped shirt. She is smiling and raising her hands.
The child is wearing a green hat and brown pants.
The child is wearing a green hat and brown pants.
He is pushing the hay bale with excitement.
He is pushing the hay bale with excitement.
A large black and white cow stands in the front.
A large black and white cow stands in the front.
The cow has a gentle face.
The cow has a gentle face.
A small calf is standing beside the cow. The calf is brown and white.
A small calf is standing beside the cow. The calf is brown and white.
The calf is looking toward the viewer.
The calf is looking toward the viewer.
Two horses are running in the background.
Two horses are running in the background.
One horse is light brown, and the other is dark brown.
One horse is light brown, and the other is dark brown.
They are in a fenced area.
They are in a fenced area.
Sheep are grazing on the hill.
Sheep are grazing on the hill.
The sheep are fluffy and white.
The sheep are fluffy and white.
Some sheep are walking.
Some sheep are walking.
A small brown dog is running near the fence.
A small brown dog is running near the fence.
A rabbit is jumping across the field.
A rabbit is jumping across the field.
The rabbit is brown with long ears.
The rabbit is brown with long ears.
A black bird is sitting on the wooden fence.
A black bird is sitting on the wooden fence.
The fence is brown and made of wood.
The fence is brown and made of wood.
It separates the farmyard from the field.
It separates the farmyard from the field.
The field is golden with harvested hay.
The field is golden with harvested hay.
Some red and blue flowers grow near the fence.
Some red and blue flowers grow near the fence.
The flowers are bright and colorful.
The flowers are bright and colorful.
The sky is clear and sunny.
The sky is clear and sunny.
The farm looks peaceful and happy.
The farm looks peaceful and happy.
The people are working and enjoying the day.
The people are working and enjoying the day.
The animals look healthy and active.
The animals look healthy and active.
The farm is well organized.
The farm is well organized.
The landscape is beautiful and green.
The landscape is beautiful and green.
The windmills in the background are spinning.
The windmills in the background are spinning.
The farm is full of life and energy.
The farm is full of life and energy.
Everything in the picture looks cheerful.
Everything in the picture looks cheerful.
It is a perfect day on the farm.
It is a perfect day on the farm.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more picture description. See you next time.